Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got a guess what's in the box videos, large box sitting right here. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today we're just going to do a quick guess what's in the box video. This is a pretty large box. And it's pretty heavy. This box is 25 inches and 3/8 of an inch long. It is 1 foot or 12 inches and 3/8 of an inch wide. And it is 10 3/4 of an inch deep or tall in thickness. It's a pretty big box. I got this from a buddy of mine, runs the PNW 4Runner Connection, Josh Young. And you know, I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. It is a large box. This box is 35 pounds. It is heavy. I can give you a hint. This is for Sky, the 2000 SR5 that I got into a wreck in when I got ran off the road and hit a guardrail and flipped. This is a replacement part for that truck, so that gives you guys a hint to what it could be for. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick video. We'll unbox it in the next video, show you guys what it is. Appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!